Good morning. This is how to travel, go on a ski trip, how to stay on track with weight loss. But first, we gotta take this guy out.
Made it on the plane. The lines were insane. But luckily, this dude was like, let's do first class. So I TSA pre-check. He would still be standing in line. It was bad.
Definitely do first class.
There's a snowstorm going on already right now there. So we're going to fresh powder this entire trip.
Finally freaking here, changing, getting ready. It's snowing, but we are rocking the Fullerton Nutrition leggings. Ladies, yes, we got leggings. They are freaking amazing. I love them, but can't freaking wait.
When you bring your own shaker cup, you don't have to pay for coffee. You just go fill up your own freaking thing. Brand new shaker cups are freaking in, ladies and gents. They're double-sided. You got Fullerton Nutrition on one and FN on the other. Can't complain. Park City right now. Snow's coming down, fresh powder. It's gonna be a good one. Whiteout conditions here up in Park City. We can't see shit. But it's a good day. I can't complain. In Park City, about to go get some sushi. Skiing today was freaking awesome. Snowboarding powder, amazing. Had zero complaints about it. It was good. It was fun. Finally snowed, skied a full day. Haven't had done that in a really long time. But I found out I definitely want to go with people. It's not fun going by yourself. So let's hope the food's good. We're getting at sushi. We got chicken teriyaki, squid salad, and then the octopus sashimi. You don't have to eat the rice. You can still go out to eat and still enjoy food.
Oh, and don't forget, we got wings too.
So after all that food, it wasn't that much of a portion size.
We're in Alaska.
It is not that cold.
Dude, it is cold.
It's not that cold.
I have a beard.
You have a mustache.
My lips warm.
What is this, a goatee? But luckily we're able to walk over to the grocery store. We're going to pick up some more food. Well, I am, because I'm still hungry. So I'm getting snacks. We got jerky. No, he grabbed that. He said, what'd you say I was going to do with it?
You're going to eat it?
I don't want that.
You're going to have a piece of it?
I will not have a piece of it. We got jerky, pork rinds, meat, and cheese. Oh, look at these.
Oh, wow.
Does anybody else love these freaking cookies?
No.
Why does everybody not like them? I love them. Okay, I need a cracker now. Cheese whips. Did you put the bar away?
Yeah.
Did you get guilted?
No.
This whole time
Blueberries.
he's like, fat, that's bad.
Blueberries.
So get blueberries. I'm not your dad.
Look, there's your salami or kind of that.
Oh, we got even more salami going on. This is what it's like grocery shopping with other people. As he goes and grabs the donuts. You're grabbing the donuts. Jesse said I needed a cart, but I don't think I do. Look at your hands. You need a cart.
Because I'm carrying a big old case of water.
All right, well, I think we're good to go. I don't think I need anything in the refrigerator section. We got bubblies. I was going to get Liquid Death, but it's like $5 for two. All right. This is our snack haul after getting sushi. We're going to go to dinner again. I know it. So we got these. Tillamook. Jerky is so good. Let's see what he got. What did you get, Jesse?
Blackberries and raspberries.
What about his donuts?
I didn't get donuts. I was showing you we could get donuts.
No, there's no we.
You literally ate 5 donuts this morning.
I did not. I wanted to. Some, I don't know what they're called.
You did buy my coffee this morning.
Yeah, I did buy your coffee this morning. So we're going to go with some pepper jack cheese. But seriously, the Tillamook sugar-free jerky, it is so good.
Did you say sugar-free jerky?
Yeah, it's 0 sugar. Most jerky is loaded in sugar. Don't look at me like
mine.
that. Not yours? Go grab it.
Zero sugar? Let's see it.
5 grams of sugar.
Zero sugar.
Low sugar.
Where does it say low sugar?
Sugar, 5 grams.
But where does it say low?
Anything under 5.
Entire time, everything I was grabbing is like, there's a lot of fat in that. There's a lot of fat in that. Fat doesn't make you fat. What are you eating? Oh, those are the berries.
My finger.
But tomorrow, we'll be skiing again.
You don't even have it on your face.
I don't. This isn't very good. I knew I should have got the Tillamook.
Did it have it?
I know.
These are absolutely delicious. And so are those. Do you like those?
So, we got a fridge right here, but
Start walking
This is a walk-in fridge.
It is.
walk-in fridge. I like it.
It's actually cooler.
It's our walk-in fridge.
Freezer. Walk-in freezer.
Oh my gosh, what a freaking night. We didn't go eat. Went right to bed. Because what happened was, the night before we were supposed to leave, so we left Friday up here. So Thursday, Jesse stays with me, and he realizes at like 12 o'clock at night, he doesn't have his freaking contacts. He lives like 45 minutes away, so we leave, go there, come back. It took longer to drive to his house and come back to my place than the flight up here, but woke up like every 2 hours. I forgot true sleep. So sleep is so freaking important for the hormone function, cortisol levels, stress, but sleep is definitely important. That's why I created True Sleep. So if you have a hard time falling asleep, staying asleep, True Sleep's amazing. You fall asleep, you don't wake up midnight, you wake up feeling rejuvenated, you're not tired or groggy. It's amazing. I did finally get some freaking coffee. I don't know what it is, why people who work at the coffee places don't understand hot coffee, cream, and mocha. People are like, do you want espresso? I'm like, no, I don't want a latte. I want a hot coffee with a mocha in it and cream. But remember, you guys are looking at your coffee creamers because a lot of them are canola oil, vegetable oil, and palm oil. It doesn't even have actual like cream in it. It's mind blowing. So read you guys' labels on those ones. Trip's been awesome. Ton of snow came down last night. It's still snowing. Just hopefully they don't close down any lifts. That's what they did yesterday, but it's been awesome. And 100%, it is so much better snowboarding with a friend. So I'm glad my buddy came up with me. It's made it so much better. So now with all these trips, I got to find people to actually go with me. It's the hardest thing. It'd be easier if I find some amazing lady that does all of this too. So that's called a unicorn. That can travel and not, who can work while traveling. I'll tell you guys, it was freaking snowing. Oh my gosh. Ugh. And yeah, I'm wearing shorts right now. But I can't complain. So much snow, so much powder. And luckily, we get a walk to the lift today. I made sure of that. I was like, I don't want to drive. All the ski places are starting to make sure they're charging you all the time to park. So I was like, how can we do this so I'm not dealing with that? Because I hate dealing with parking too. Oh, man. All right, ladies, and even gents, we got leggings. They're freaking phenomenal, smooth like butter, and I love them. You got tramp stamp on these ones, but these ones, definitely, I like them. We got them in black as well. And like I said, and they are squat proof. I tell ya, one thing I love about Arizona, you don't have to do this whole thing. Like, this is just ridiculous. Ugh, so much snow though. Can't freaking wait. Last day on the slopes. I don't really have much of a plan for food. I might make this my fasting day and then go to the gym and do quads. I don't know, quads and snowboarding. It's been real. Great workout. You're literally doing squats the entire time. It's like skiing, snowboarding. People talk about it as a workout. It definitely is, burning tons of calories. So Talking about calories, you got to make sure you are taking in the right amount of calories. If you don't know what your calorie goal is, go to the website fullertonnutrition.com. Use the free calorie calculator. I got one of the Power Crunch bars. Freaking love these. They are delicious. High quality isolate whey protein, casein protein, multivitamin, digest. No, never mind. I'm talking about True Meal. Wow. You got 11 grams of protein in here, 13 grams of protein, 11, 12 grams of carbs. How do you like them?
They're great.
Love them. So we're first time getting some calories in for the day, but it's not just about your calories. It's about where your calories come from. So that's why it's not calories in versus calories out. That's how I have women with PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid, insulin resistant, dropping 100 pounds in less than a year, because we are taking in the right amount of nutrients, eating real food, not all the garbage out of boxes. I just truly believe that the hormone insulin plays a huge factor in it. So that's why you just can't eat whatever you want. All these carbs, sugars, blood sugars go through the roof. Your body produces insulin. When you have insulin in your body present, you're not burning body fat until you bring those blood sugars back down. So that's why when I've got clients just eating real food, meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, and fruit, majority of the calories are coming from the meat anyways. So you're getting all your protein in. You don't have to track macros anymore because you're taking in meat and veggies. Your blood sugars aren't going crazy. You're getting all your fats, all your proteins in. Your carbs are coming from your veggies, your nuts, and your fruit. If you're going to do fruit, do it more in the morning. But that's what I truly believe is a huge factor of it is insulin. That's why America is fat and overweight and dying of heart disease. It's because of all the box of garbage foods. Just absolutely my theory on under eating. All right, so we burn a certain amount of calories no matter what, living, not even working out. So let's say we take in 1,000 calories, but we burn 2,000. Any nutrients we take in, I believe we use it as energy instead of taking in that nutrients to nourish the body. No matter how much protein you're taking in, if you're burning off that protein and the vitamins and the carbs and the fats, you don't have any nutrients left over to actually nourish the body. So that's why I find that if under eating is the biggest reason why people don't get results. And that's why I've got people going from 500 to 1,000 more calories what they were currently doing to try and lose the body fat. And that's how I got people losing over 100 pounds. So that's my biggest theory on why taking in the right amount of calories works. That's why I created True Meal, because all the meal replacements out there, when I opened up my own gym at 21, all my clients are like, Tyler, I don't have enough time to get in a meal. Because it's not about the workout programs. Your workout program isn't the reason why you're not losing body fat. It's because we're under eating, not taking in enough nutrients. And that's why I created True Meal. That's how Fullerton Nutrition got started, because of the lack of nutrients and the lack of time to get in a quick, easy meal. And majority of those protein shakes and meal replacements are full of carbs, full of sugars, don't even have enough calories to be a meal. So that's how I formulated True Meal. It's 0 sugar, gram of carbs, 13 grams of MCT oil, 50 grams of high quality isolate whey protein, casein protein, multivitamin, digestive enzymes. It's literally perfect. It tastes amazing. And coffee, oh, so my favorite when people say, Tyler, you're so lucky, the life that you have. I ain't lucky. I punted in my 20s. While everybody was out getting married, having kids, partying, I opened up my own gym at 21. Tyler, you're so lucky. I chose this life. I did everything that I did. I spent 9 years doing this, creating this life. It's not luck. I hate the word luck. It's not lucky. I did everything, learned everything, failed so many freaking times, had so many people tell me I didn't know what I was doing. Go back to Verizon, go work your 9 to 5. It's not luck. Never is. It's because you actually put the work into it and did what you needed to do to accomplish those goals. And that's why having your why is everything. I have my own why of why I wanted to do this. Travel, do whatever I want. I want to go to Park City and go skiing. Boom, I'm doing it. It's the life I created. It's not luck. The slopes, now dinner. Where are we going?
I don't remember.
What are we eating?
Steak.
I told you we were doing steak. Got some monster crab legs. Jesse got crab legs, but he got some nasty oysters. I did not try it. Got green beans on here. Remember, you don't have to eat the rice. You don't have to eat the potato. But I probably did like 15,000 squats today on the mountain. So we'll see what happens. And this is the first meal of the day besides the Power Crunch bar this morning. I didn't order that. I don't know where that came from.
It's an accident.
It was an accident. What are those?
Snowboarding for 2 days.
He's walking around the airport with no freaking shoes on. He's complaining about his feet hurting. And we're in Utah, Salt Lake City, so we're in B gates. So you have to walk like a mile to go buy some new shoes.
Not from there.
We're gonna push him in a wheelchair, but we can't find one. If we find one, we're gonna take it. So as you guys saw, we ended up getting cake and ice cream. But if you do, don't freak out about it. It's fine. Start on the next meal. Have something terrible. If you're on a birthday, start on the next meal. And you can walk it off since we walked a mile and a half, 10 miles to B Gates in Salt Lake City. But if you do, it's fine. Just start the next meal. The problem is people binge out usually after you have a piece of cake. Like, oh my gosh, my whole day's messed up. I'm going to mess up my entire week. That's what usually happens. So don't let that happen. Just start back up on the next meal and you'll be fine.
I love you. What's up? Did you miss me? Yeah, you did. I know you did. Hi. Oh, I know. Come here. Come here. It's my favorite part coming home.
That was definitely a good trip. The blast. Definitely learned. It's more fun to take trips with people instead of going by yourself, to say the least. Oh, man. But seriously, go out, take those trips, do whatever you got to do. You can always make more money. But even going and traveling, people are traveling for work all the time and stuff like that. You can still stay on track. You can absolutely, you're 100% in control of what you eat, what you put into your body. That's the beauty of this whole thing. You want to lose weight, you want to get healthy, you got to control what you put into your body. That's how you're going to get the results. So make sure you guys are taking in the right amount of calories. Make sure you guys go get the step-by-step plan on the website, FullertonNutrition.com. Make sure you guys smash the share button. Let everybody else know. Let your friends, family, coworkers know where they can go to get this weight loss stuff broken down for free.